Hi guys. Okay, so I'm not really sure what exactly you guys covered with the sub yesterday, but I just want to make sure that what you're doing is clear here. So take a look at this with me. Separable prefix verbs. Ansehen is a separable prefix verb. Aussehen is a separable prefix verb, and you've already seen anprobieren is also a separable prefix. So here's how these things work. If you look here, basic sentence. It breaks up, the prefix goes to the end. As you go down the list here, the sentence gets longer and longer. I put on shorts and a t-shirt. I'm putting on shorts and a t-shirt today. I'm putting on shorts and a t-shirt today for Sonia's party. No matter how long it gets, the prefix goes to the end of the sentence or clause with any separable prefix. So, in your notes, you need to write down underneath the heading separable prefix verbs. The prefix goes to the end of the sentence or clause. And then I want you to have the first example, was sehe ich an, and then the last one that says ich ziehe heute zu Sonia's Fete shorts und mein T-shirt an. And I want you to underline both the main part of the verb and the prefix at the end, so you have a visual reminder that this is where each part of the verb goes. Okay, that should go in your notes. Pause it for a second and write that down if you need to. So look at the last one here. Ja, zu Sonia's Fete ziehe ich ganz bestimmt Shorts und ein T-shirt an. Well, it still applies. You guys notice, instead of the subject being here at the front, it's got where they're going to wear it to. So it's just like any other thing. If you put anything at the beginning besides the subject, it still follows that rule where the prefix goes to the end. So please do put that in your notes also. And make a little note off to the side in your notes that says, even when it's inverted word order, the prefix still goes to the end just like normal. So there are a number of different prefixes. Okay, some of them are separable, some of them they're not. The ones you guys have seen are an and aus, but you guys have actually seen another prefix without realizing it. If you guys look at the front of your book where it says komm mit, that is a verb. What do you think is the prefix part of that? If you're looking at the mit, you are right. The actual verb is mitkommen. That's another separable prefix. So there are actually a whole bunch of other separable prefixes. Okay, so there is a whole long list of separable prefixes that really you're just going to come to simply recognize as you learn more German. They're actually easier than you might think because you're going to see that they are just stuck onto the front of words that you often will already know. So check these out here. Can you identify the prefix in these words? You should be able to identify by breaking them up. You see bringen, well, if you said the prefix was by, you're right. You know haben, if you said the prefix was for, you're right. And you know gehen, if you said it was aus, that is right. So these all, every one of them, work exactly the same as the examples from the book. Take a look. With ausgehen, ich gehe mit Freunden am Freitagabend aus. Okay? They all work exactly the same. Prefix goes at the end, the main part of the verb goes second, just like always. So, the homework that you were supposed to do yesterday was page 153, number 8. And it's all about just breaking up the separable prefixes. Take a second, do that, then check it. Okay, so if you're continuing on, I'm assuming that you guys have already checked the homework and you've got it. Okay, so what you need to do today, that being Wednesday, is you're going to prepare a mini speaking evaluation. So when I say mini, it's really short. It's not a full-sized role play. So here's what it is. You need to be able to ask and answer 3 questions. What are you putting on? Using anziehen. What are you trying on? Using anprobieren. And how does my whatever article of clothing look? Using aussehen. So the way to go about this is get with a partner, and you're going to write out questions and answers so that you both have them, so that you and your partner know exactly how you will ask and respond. So these do have to be fully developed sentences, and they have to be said with good pronunciation, like you mean it, like it's a normal conversation. It's just a really short one. Other elements of the sentence must be correct also. So that includes articles and pronouns for clothing, including consideration for nominative and accusative case. So basically, you have the entire period from this point to get with a partner, work on these questions and answers, and practice. You have to know them and be able to say them from memory. Okay? This you will, since today's Thursday, I'm going to have you guys play Mau Mau and watch, maybe watch some extra if we can get it to work tomorrow. So that means that you guys are going to do this speaking evaluation on Monday. Actually, no way, I take that back. This will actually be tomorrow. So, yeah. So, get it done, get it ready today. Have it memorized, ready to go. And then you'll do it on Thursday. Okay, so one last note. If you are not sure how to format, how to structure those questions and answers, look back at this. This gives you everything you need to ask. Right here you have, what am I putting on? I'm putting shorts on. Okay, so each one of these is going to be structured in exactly this way. Okay, so put good detail in. You know, I would be maybe looking for something more than just I'm putting shorts on. I would be looking for something, you know, that maybe I'm putting this and this on. Maybe when you're putting it on, like on Tuesday or in the evening or etc. Okay, so that is it.